This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll show you my new Ghost.Chat.AI. I created my own easy-to-use interface. It may be a little slow right now, but I'll keep improving and upgrading it. Open your browser, visit my channel, click on my bio, and you'll see a Terrabox link. Simply click on it. Next, open Tool Market and select Windows Software. You should see Ghost.Chat.AI listed near the top. Select it and either choose a local download path or save it directly to your Terrabox account. If you choose Terrabox, click Go to Cloud Drive to access your storage. Select the file and press Download. I'll fast forward through the download process. Once the download is finished, go back to your desktop. Extract the downloaded archive. Open the extracted folder and launch Ghost.Chat.AI. After opening it, if you see a Windows security pop-up, click More Info and then click Run anyway. The application will then open automatically. A simple interface. Now let's ask, who are you? And see what it answers. Nice, as you can see, that's the response it generated. Now let's test its coding abilities by asking it to create a game. I don't have a specific idea in mind yet, maybe something simple like TikTok. Let's see whether it can build a working game for us. Okay, so it created our HTML game. As you can see, it's working perfectly and even explaining it. Now I've set up two options, one to save the full code and the second to save it in the same format as before. Let's try and check it. As you can see, it is automatically selected now. Let's save it and play what it has made. Nice result. I will fast forward this part to save your time. Now I'll clear everything. And you can also save the whole chat. Then refresh the connection and export the code. I hope you liked the video and the tool and found it easy to understand. I know it's not perfect yet, but I'll improve it step by step and build more projects. You'll learn a lot more in the future. I also lost my last channel, so I hope you support me here. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next interesting video and tool.